part-time teacher Kannan committed suicide because the TMK did not fulfill this promise. What is
No, this is highly disheartening. I always say this is the era of agitation. This is the government of agitation. Not only Kannan, I really pay homage to him. At the same time, when there is the sanitary workers were agitating, one sanitary worker got fits and she was admitted, and another when they were he also died in an agitation. So this is not new in Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu government is not hearing all the problems of because Anganwadi workers are agitating, staff teachers are agitating, doctors are agitating, and staff nurses are agitating, and transport workers are agitating. Almost everyone is agitating. The whole Tamil Nadu is in agitating mood. But the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is in an advertisement mood. That's all I can say.
Here in Tamil Nadu, Dayanidhi Maran, DMK MP, have compared Tamil girl students from South India comparatively to the North Indian students.
No, this is very disheartening. I am asking Rahul Gandhi or the other India Alliance partners, are they accepting this? Even Tamil women will not accept degrading the other states' women. Because when you can raise your voice for our women, but we cannot degrade the womanhood of others. And another thing, they are thinking that by giving laptop, there is empowered women. Because our Honorable Prime Minister is having a scheme for Beti Pachao and Beti Badao. And Honorable Prime Minister always talks about women empowerment. More pilots. Compared to other countries, more pilots in our country. And pilots are from Tamil Nadu, even from other states also. And women ministers, women doctors, women lawyers. And women empowerment is totally in this country. How can Dayanidhi Maran, I am asking, whether Rahul Gandhi accept this, and all the India Alliance partners accept this, whether Mamata Banerjee accept this, whether Sharad Pawar accept this. So this is the pattern. Dayanidhi Maran is highly condemnable. We are also very proud of our Tamil womanhood. But we are for Tamil women as well as the womanhood of other states also.